I'm going to show you how to do this fun textured stitch pattern. It is a 4-row repeat, and thankfully 2 of the rows are all purl stitches, so that makes it nice and easy. What you want to do is cast on any multiple of 4 plus 1. So here I have 12 plus 1, 13. And the first row, you knit 1, and then purl 3 all the way across till the final stitch where you knit 1 again. There aren't any edge stitches included in this pattern either, so if you want any edge stitches, you'll have to cast on additional stitches on each end. Okay, final stitch, we knit. Then the second row is all purl stitches. And this stitch pattern, I don't think it has a name. I tried to find one. Not all stitch patterns have a name except for, you know, obviously all of the classics. The third row is a lot like the first row, except it's offset. So you start with 2 purl stitches, and then you kind of get back into the knit 1, purl 3 pattern that we were doing before. And then once you reach the end, you're going to just purl 2. Okay, so I'm at the end and I'm purling the last 2. And now we have our final row, which is all purl stitches again. There we go. It's a nice, fun, basket, weavy looking kind of stitch.